Welcome to my channel Coding Abby, and today I have brought you the second video in the Python project for beginner series. In this video we will see student management system, and with the system we can perform these three basic operations of displaying students information, searching a particular student, and deleting student from the classroom. So I have a import here of weakref module and a classroom class with an empty list of students initially, and the construct or init function which will take name, standard and roll number as basic parameters, and will assign the class attributes name, standard and roll number their values accordingly. And this line will include the instance of that classroom created in this list. Okay, so let's get started, and let's create these three functions. So the first function is a display function, which would be a class method, hence using the class method decorator. And display function display, which will take a class instance, and that's it. And we will simply print for I in class dot underscore students, print I. Now printing the I will print the reference to that object of the classroom. So we will print the name of that instance, or the name of that student instance. Okay, here we have let's try making one. Student1 is equal to classroom, and the name is let's say the name is Abby. Let's say the standard is 8th. Well, I'm not in 8th, but let's assume. And let's say there's roll number 2, whose name is Puzu, and she is student 2. Okay, and let's try displaying the classroom dot using this display function our list of students. And as you can see here, Abby and Puzu are displayed. So it's upon us that what do we want to display. If you want to display roll numbers, we will simply change it to roll numbers here, and 1 and 2 are displayed. So the display function works. Let's create another delete function. So address class method, which will be named as delete, which will take class as its first reference to the object, and then we will take another reference of that student which we have to delete. So the first thing to do is delete okay, this is the last thing to do, delete the student. Before that we will remove it from this list. So to remove, we have cls dot underscore students dot remove std. Yes, and we will print that whom did we deleted or whom did we remove. So for that we can let's say print a statement of student name and is removed from classroom. Okay, Yeah, we haven't used the let's change this to name, and names are displayed. And let's now delete one student. So classroom dot delete, let's say we want to delete Abby from this classroom, so we will pass the object std1, and again we'll have to display the classroom list students. See, Abby is removed, and the only student left in the classroom is Puzu. Yes, so our code works. Then we have this search function where we can search information of that student, let's say by their roll number. So this is another class method of classroom where we can write def search cls, and let's take the roll r number as an argument, sorry, parameter. Okay, for I in cls dot underscore students, what search will do is it will search the reference whose roll number is r number. That is, if I dot roll number equal to r number, then we will simply return or print the I dot name. Then we will print I dot standard, or let's just print this, that roll number r number is I dot name. Okay, and then break the loop, and that's our search function for this classroom. So let's use this search function, and we will pass the roll number as 2. So Puzu should be there. Okay, we got some errors, cannot concatenate string and int objects. Okay, let's then use our f string format. We will use the f string format. Okay, so now this should work. I guess I have to update my Python version. We will use this format function and pass arguments here. And now this should work. Yes, the roll number 2 is Puzu, because only Puzu was present in the class. So we have successfully created our student management system with these 3 basic display, search and delete functions. And you can add many other custom functions like display roll, getter or setters for particular attributes like name, standard, roll number, and a subject of the classroom, or marks of those particular students, and then we can add many more things that a physical classroom can have. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, then the best way to support is to like and comment your views, along with subscribing the channel and sharing it to your friends whom you think it would be useful. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.